August 25th, 2009, Oakville, Ontario. They're getting fewer and far between, it looks like. But I'm sure there'll be a last hurrah around the Labor Day weekend for all the cars to come out.
No, I did it 1 year, but I did.
Another peak over here.
Oh, okay.
Just a few cars.
They let you out on Tuesdays too.
Every day of the week they let me out.
You survived Sunday at Milton.
Oh gosh, yes, I survived Georgetown on Friday evening.
Oy.
And I also survived, we even dared to go out to the Etobicoke show on Saturday. And there were a few, there's a few diehards out there. It's actually on my channel on the internet. I actually got a few nice cars. There was a really nice 1960 Cadillac there. Which I hadn't seen before.
Blue ones?
Yes. I believe, I think it was blue.
You just got that. I was there on Saturday.
Yeah. That's what I was there with a Vista. I was there with a Vista Cruiser. I bought the Eagle tonight. Oh yeah. Oh.
Sunday night.
Oh yeah. See. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I remember.
Sunday night at Milton, I was there with my '78 Shaggin' Wagon. You got a Ford van.
Yes, I actually filmed you were parked beside the two Volkswagen buses. Actually, I remember that.
Well.
I've mentioned your van on my video that I made.
Oh, great.
It's mentioned too. I didn't get enough of a look at it though, really, unfortunately. Oh, I'm gonna go do a little thing on the Imperial now.
I got an information sheet there if you need it.
Perfect, absolutely, thanks. Trying to bring as many cars as I can, people, because before too long, will be those long days of winter. We can all look back at the movies and hope and look forward to another season of these old cars. And where were you in 62 again? I think it's a 62. Is this car a 1962? That's what I thought. What size is the motor in it? 352. 352.
Yeah.
And look at that, even the cross-pipe tires on it. I'm making a movie. I love it. How many miles are on the car?
I don't know. I don't know whatever's showing on there, but I couldn't tell you the exact miles on it. I've had the car for 20 years.
Really?
Probably showing, I don't know what's
50,600 miles.
Probably 150.
Well, if that's the case, it's certainly not showing the mileage, really.
Yeah, they're ain't good.
Can we see under the hood? Please?
It's not detailed under there, but
That's what makes it so nice.
work under there.
1962 Ford Galaxy.
Well, up under here, man. Some work under here, but yeah, 52.
Pretty original.
Pretty much. Yeah.
And that's the nice way to see them, actually.
Yeah. It's originally from Arizona.
Really?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I put these cars on my channel all the time, on my movie channel. Yes. Really nice. Hydraulic brake light switches that were pretty common back then.
Yeah.
Ford and American Motors kept the hydraulic switches, and so did Chrysler, Studebaker, and Volkswagen had them. GM was the ones who went with electric ones pretty early on.
Power steering, power brakes.
Yes.
Which is good.
Very nice.
You need power brakes in this thing. It's tough as bolt.
Oh yeah, with these drum brakes, yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Very, very nice car. Thank you very much. I don't have much movie time left on this camera, so I want to try to cover as many as I can. Thank goodness there's not too many tonight.
I know, man. There's not too many nights left.
No. What do we have here? 67 Imperial. Now that's huge, and this is even more huge. Stretch and stretch and stretch, and they did. Keep going and going and going. Let's fight down along the fenders of this thing. nice Chinese fire drill we can do running around this car. Let's see what's the information that we have here. 440 cubic inch, 350 horse, 480 pound-feet of torque, 127-inch wheelbase, and 220 horse, 4,970 pounds plus the options. So it weighs right around what the Vista Cruiser weighs. Pretty heavy car. Nice. Okay, running out of film, I think.
You see one of the trucks that you can get into pretty reasonable right now. There it is.
Chevy 2 SS 67, I believe.
Really coming really big now.
No, 66. You can tell by the steering columns. 67's had the hazard light on the steering column, the hazard button. And of course, they would have also had a dual braking system. This one has a single system on it. Beautiful ride though. Really nice. Nice wheel covers. Yeah, making a movie. Again. Thank you very much.
No problem. It's my husband's car, so that's
It's a beautiful car. How long have you folks had it for?
He bought it in 1979.
Wow. Excellent. I feature these cars on my movie channel all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. On my YouTube channel, I put all sorts of old car movies on it.
Oh my gosh. We'll have to tell the kids.
I'll give it to you. I'll finish doing the movie and I'll give you the channel and stuff. Beautiful car. Thank you very much. Well, you should be proud of it. Definitely. Thanks. Let's take a quick rundown over here. Okay, we'll do a quick view. We have, of course, we have the 80 AMC Eagle over here. Einstein's Eagle. Sitting so regally. Attracts a few people. And a TR6. Again, these inline British 6-cylinders are such smooth, beautiful engines. They're incredible. Love them. '68 Camaro. And let's quickly move on. Highway lights. Beautiful Mustang. '65 or '66. I'm not a Mustang expert, but I know it's around there. And a pace car. With those new for then, very revolutionary Michelin TRX specification radial tires. Very nice. Look at a Corvette. Nice convertible. Manual shift. Beautiful. Well, thanks for watching, folks. At a movie time. Till next time, we're bringing you more. Have a great evening. Bye.